Hello students, this is me Saurav Avasthi, an English teacher at Mount Literacy School Jhansi. And today we are going to study the second part of the chapter 3 Ranga's Marriage of Snapshots, where we completed till the meeting of the narrator with Ranga, and after then when Ranga went to the house of narrator where he saw that girl whose name was Ratna. There he was very much impressed by Ratna, and now we will see in the next part, second part of the video, that what actually happened after that. Okay, so let's begin now the summary of the remaining part of the chapter. So let's continue. Here in this part, the narrator is disappointed to hear this, but as he sincerely wants Ranga to get married, he takes a vow to get him married, and that to a girl by the name of Ratna, Rama Rao's niece, who has of late come to Hosali to stay for a few days. So here this girl who is right now here in this village is going to be get married in the coming future with Ranga, but for that the narrator of the story, Shyam, is going to prepare a plan where he is going to now make them meet with each other, so that he does by asking Rao's wife to send Ratna to his house to fetch buttermilk. As Ratna arrives, she is asked to sing right now, because here Ratna was knowing about some instruments which can be played by her, so that's why Shyam asked her to sing a song actually, because he was knowing this thing that Ranga is going to be there very soon, as he called him, and it was a plan at that very moment that Ranga arrives and gets mesmerized by Ratna's singing, because that song which Ratna was singing was so melodious that Shyam just forgot everything and almost instantly falls in love with that girl. The narrator from his experience notices that this quite well, but purposely disappoints Ranga, saying that Ratna is married. So here, because just to know the feelings of Ranga, he never told that Ratna is also unmarried. Instead of saying that, he said that Ratna is already married. So that's why nothing can be done in this case. So here, the boy Ranga is going to become very much upset, and he will go from there. So here now in the next part, we will see that the next morning, the narrator plots with Shastri, the fortune teller, to trap Ranga and have him marry Ratna. He tutors him in what is to be said and done when he will bring the boy to him. So finally, again, once more, that means the narrator is planning again something where he included Shastriji also in his plan, and he told to Shastriji that when that boy will come at that time, you have to just see that that boy should fall in love with that girl, and he should understand that she is only the girl which is made for him. And here now the narrator finds Ranga lost in thoughts that day. The narrator suggests that they visit Shastri. So right now here, according to the plan, that means here narrator is saying that we should go to Shastriji, and he will tell us that what is the problem and how it can be cured. So here thereupon Ranga is taken to Shastri, who cleverly reacts by saying that their visit has been a surprise. The narrator acts foolishly, forgetting what he is supposed to say, but Shastri cleverly manages the scene, because he was just forgetting, and he forgotten actually whatever was told by the narrator to Shastriji, but still he just controlled everything and everything just moved on very nicely. Here everything goes well as per the plan. Shastri calculates throwing his cowries and suggests that it is about a girl. On further calculation, he suggests that the girl's name has connection with something found in the ocean. The narrator asks if it could be Kamala because it can be like Kamal. Then he suggests Pachi, meaning moss. But here again it was not like that, because now they have to reach on that particular name that was having the same meaning which is related to Ratna. So here once again when Shastriji hints it can be like pearl, that means Ratn. Ranga is surprised because Shyama further asks if there is any chance of negotiation of the marriage bearing any fruit. But once again the narrator pours water on Ranga's hopes by saying that Ratna is married. So once again, however, on the way the narrator enters Rama Rao's house and comes out of the house to inform Ranga that Ratna is unmarried and the previous information about her marriage was wrong. So according to the plan all the things were, that means, going on according to Shyam, the narrator of the story. And then when he became upset, when this boy Ranga, he became completely upset because now he was knowing that he cannot get married to Ratna. But still, after coming from Shastriji, they went to, when they were going to their house, at that time they found that Ratna's house was there. He went inside that house, came from there with a big, that means, and a great information that Ratna was unmarried. Now visibly, Ranga's joys have no limits when the narrator asks him whether whatever the astrologer told is right. He admits that it is true and further adds that there is more truth in astrology than he thought. And like this, that means narrator said that Shastriji, whatever he was telling was correct. That means Ratna is made for you and that is only the girl to whom you should get married. So like this, that means plan was executed now. Now, after completing all these things, again the narrator went to Shastriji, where he informs Shastri about the success story and makes a sarcastic comment about astrology. But Shastri is not ready to accept. He says that the former gave only the hints, and whatever he said was the result of his calculation. So here he said that he was only the man, the one who done all those things with his astrology. But at last, Ranga finally gets married to Ratna. The narrator is invited to the third birth anniversary of Ranga's child, who was named after the narrator as Shyam. On finding this, the narrator finds it childish of Ranga. He says that he knows that it is the English custom to name the child after someone to whom you like. But it is not fair to name him Shyama because he is with fair complexion. And here Shyama was of dark complexion. So that's why the narrator said that why you have given him such name. Okay. So like this, that means the gift was given to the boy, small kid of Ranga, and finally they were planning for the new baby. Okay, so here now I hope that you may understand the whole story. And now we will meet again with the new story, with new video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, And now thank you so much.